I love the Foodi Ninja Grill. See, I like onions on my burger. She doesn't. So I just threw the onion in there on top of it. Let it cook for the last couple minutes. Then maybe throw a piece of cheese on in the end. You can actually put the cheese on there at the very end and just close the lid. And it will melt the cheese with just the heat left in the inside of there. You don't even have to have it turned on. Within about 15-20 seconds the cheese is melted and your hamburger is ready to eat. Foodi Ninja Grill. And you can always peek. Sneak a peek.
Pancakes, that's what it was.
Pancakes for breakfast.
Yeah. I just thought about that when I saw the pancakes. I'm like, fuck. Okay, pancakes tomorrow.
Pancakes tomorrow.
Sorry.
Right on top of the onion. Shut it. Count to 20. Check out that cheese. Let's check it. It's about 20-30 seconds, no, a little bit longer. So maybe 40 seconds, count to 40, somewhere in there. Just about a little less than 1 minute, I figure. Everything is so hot in there that it usually just melts it just like that. Plates, buns, action.
Yours?
Yours first.
Mine
And the
first?
cheese is just starting to fall off and starting to burn on the grill down there, so you don't want to do that.
There's no ketchup.
Ninja Foodi Grill, cheeseburger on bread. If you like, click and like, subscribe, and share.